Hello there. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add international shipping on your Shopify store. As you can see right now, I'm currently on my Shopify store. So don't worry if you have a free trial, because even as am I still have that free trial for 3 days. So let's get started, okay? So on the left section right here, you're gonna see a lot of options. But we don't need everything here, we just want to click on settings. It's on the very bottom left of your screen and simply click on it. You'll arrive on this landing page and these are the new choices we have. I want you to click on shipping and delivery over here. Simply click on it. So you'll have a new choices. I want you to click on create new profile. Okay. Follow me through with this one. Click create new profile and simply create zone. Once you click on create zone, just name the zone. So again, customers won't see this. So let's just say sample zone and then simply click international. It will highlight everything here. That means you're shipping internationally. If in some cases you don't want to ship on certain region or country, for example Denmark and Finland, you don't want to ship there, but you want to ship on all country, make sure you uncheck the or country or area you don't want to ship to. So for example, I'm going to click right there and simply click on done. That being said, I have already added a shipping zone, but that's not finished yet. I want to add a rate. So for example, set up your own rates or use carrier app to calculate your rates. So as you can see, there are no carrier or apps available for the zone. I'm just going to set up my own rate right there, sample rate. And then let's just save for shipping 50 pesos right there. It's good to go. Click on done. Now I've just added my own shipping zone. Next up, make sure you click on save. So it says it won't save right there because I don't have a profile name right now. I'm just gonna add a profile name right here to create this profile. One change is required. Let's see what is that change. Let me just check. So it says add a profile name right here, but it's not allowing me anymore. So I just need to discard everything first. Leave this page and then create a new profile. That being said, I just want to create zone again. International. Sample 1, click on done, and then click on rate again. Make sure this is again 50, rate 1, done, and then simply click on done again. That being said, this should be good to go. Let's try checking everything before saving. And that being said, let's just name this one sample 1 and click on save. Now I've just added a shipping and delivery internationally right there. That should do it as of now. But to take you a little bit step further, I want you to click on markets right here. This is another step for you to perfectly maintain that international shipping. Once you're here, simply click on add market. Once you're here, make sure you choose the area or country you want to sell to. This is the same as adding international shipping earlier. But with this one, you have to choose manually. So for example, I'm going to choose this 3 just for discussion purposes. But if you want, you can just choose everything you're going to ship with. Add market right there. Market name. Let's just say sample market. Click on add market right here. Now wait for it to load. Market added. I can simply click on save again. Make sure you click on save, which is apparently it's automatically saved regarding this market. Because before they have the save button right there. Anyway, that's how I added my international shipping. Make sure you do it as well. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.